Hello, Zimist Coded community. Today, we're delving into the process of converting a PDF file to a Word document using Microsoft Word. But before we jump into the tutorial, let's take a quick peek at the PDF file we'll be working with. Here's a snapshot of the document, a mix of text and images, demonstrating the variety of elements that Microsoft Word can handle during the conversion. Now that we have our PDF ready, let's proceed with the step-by-step guide. Open Microsoft Word on your computer, ensuring you have the latest version for optimal features and compatibility. Step 2. Open PDF file. Select Open from the menu and navigate to the location of your PDF file. Click Open to initiate the conversion process. Step 3. Confirm conversion. Microsoft Word will prompt you to confirm the conversion. Simply click OK to proceed. Step 4. Edit optional. After the conversion, you may need to make adjustments to ensure the document looks just right. Word does its best, but complex layouts might require some manual tweaking. Step 5. Save as Word document. Go to File and choose Save As. Pick a location, name your file, and select Word document *docx as the format. Click Save to preserve your converted document. Step 6. Review the document. Open the saved Word document to review the contents and formatting. Make any necessary adjustments to match your preferences. And there you have it. Converting a PDF to Word using Microsoft Word is a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more IT tutorials. Happy coding!